Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can brighten a photo using Canva, and the process is very simple. First, you have to upload the picture to your Canva account, and then you want to open a document like this one. And after that, you want to insert photo and then click on the photo. You want to click edit and go to the menu that says adjust. So you want to scroll down a bit, and we are gonna be playing around with the light section right here. So this is let me tell you something. The number is not going to be the same for every photo, so you have to do it on your own. But I hope this video will give you a picture about what slider or what kind of setting that you should achieve for your photo. So I have this picture of a very dark forest. It's actually, the setting is in the morning, but it's still pretty dark. So I want to make it brighter. And by the way, just to give you a preview, this is the result that I'm trying to achieve. This is actually a picture, the same picture, but I just applied the setting to make the photo way brighter. So anyway, the first thing that you need to do is you have to increase the brightness. So I'm going to increase it a bit. I don't want to go too far because it's going to make everything look weird. So you have to keep the number to be moderate. And after that, you want to play around with the contrast as well, because sometimes when things are brighter, it will make the contrast less. So you want to increase the contrast because of the brightness that you have applied to the image. And after that, there is also highlights. Highlights is going to affect the bright area of the picture. So as you can see, the fog is now much more prominent. And I'm going to set the number to be around 40 to 50. And the shadow, this is very important as well. If you want to make the photo brighter, then you want to set it to the right side. But shadow is very important because it's kinda similar to contrast, except it is affecting only the dark area. So I guess I'm going to reduce it just a little bit so it will maintain the contrast. And after that, there is white. This is very unique. This is actually similar to highlights, but it is for the whitest part of the picture. And yeah, you can see if you slide it to the right, it's going to make things brighter, but usually I keep the number to be less than 10. And for the blacks, it's also the same story. I'm going to keep everything very low, maybe just 2 or 3 points, and this is the result. So this is the setting that I got to get this effect. But of course, if you are slightly unhappy with the changes in color, you can increase the vibrance and saturation if you want to. So the green is kinda washed out because I increased the white area, but we can still increase the color using the color section right here. There's the vibrance and saturation parameters, and then you can see the picture now look more natural. So this is very similar to the picture that I've shown you before, but this is slightly different because I'm using a different number. But I hope you got the idea. So basically, you want to play around with this light section, and then you want to play around with the color section as well. But of course, there is an option to play around with other parameters like temperature, like tint, and also the sharpness, clarity, thickness if you want to. There are a lot of things, but the basic are these two, the light and the color. So that's basically it. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will really help me out, and I'll see you on the next video.